Hubstaff is one of the most popular productivity and time management tools out there, but is it the right choice for you? Before you hit that buy button, there are 12 things you need to know that might just change your mind. Let's dive into them, comparing Hubstaff to some of its competitors along the way, so you can make an informed decision. First up, Hubstaff's time tracking is one of its strongest features. You get automatic time tracking, making it super easy for employees to log their hours. But compared to competitors like Toggle, Hubstaff offers more detailed insights into how employees spend their time, including screenshots and activity levels. Next thing, Hubstaff integrates with a huge number of third-party tools. You're not limited to just their in-house features. Whether it's project management software like Trello or accounting tools like QuickBooks, Hubstaff has integrations with over 30 apps. This is a big plus over other time tracking tools that may limit you on integrations. The third thing is the GPS tracking feature. If you're managing field teams or remote employees, Hubstaff lets you track their location, which can be a game changer for businesses with workers on the go. This is something tools like Harvest don't offer to the same extent. Moving on, the fourth thing is Hubstaff's payroll system. Once you've tracked hours, you can pay your team directly through Hubstaff. This streamlines the process, especially when compared to competitors like Time Doctor, which requires a separate payroll service. Now let's talk about reporting. Hubstaff's reports give you granular insights into team performance. You can see who's working the most, who's falling behind, and even how much time is being spent on specific tasks. While other tools offer reporting features, Hubstaff's are more detailed and customizable, especially for larger teams. The sixth thing is employee monitoring. Hubstaff offers features like activity levels, screenshots, and app usage tracking. This can feel intrusive to some, but if you need to monitor productivity, it's more comprehensive than competitors like Clockify, which focuses primarily on time tracking without the extra monitoring tools. Next thing is pricing. Hubstaff isn't the cheapest option out there, especially when you start adding on features like GPS tracking and time off management. In comparison, tools like Toggle Track offer simpler, more affordable pricing for small teams, so if you don't need all of Hubstaff's advanced features, you might be paying for things you don't need. The eighth thing is its mobile app. Hubstaff's mobile app works well, but it's not perfect. Some users report issues with syncing data or managing time on the go. Competitors like Rescue Time have more polished mobile apps that make tracking time from anywhere a bit smoother. Next, let's talk about user-friendliness. Hubstaff is powerful, but it can be overwhelming for new users. While tools like Toggle Track focus on a clean, simple interface, Hubstaff's complexity may require a learning curve, especially if you're just getting started with time management software. The 10th thing is project management. Hubstaff includes basic project management features, such as task assignments and tracking, but it's not as robust as specialized project management tools like Asana or Monday.com. If you need complex project management features, you might find Hubstaff lacking in this area. Now, the 11th thing to consider is the support Hubstaff offers. The company provides 24/7 support, which is great for urgent issues. However, some users have reported slow response times. Competitors like Time Doctor have a reputation for faster support, which could be crucial if you need help immediately. Finally, the 12th thing is the free trial. Hubstaff offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test out its features and see if it's the right fit. This is a decent length compared to other tools that might offer shorter trial periods, but it's still important to try it out before committing. So, is Hubstaff a good option? Absolutely. It's a powerful productivity and time management tool that works well for many businesses, especially those that need advanced features like GPS tracking and employee monitoring. But if you want a better option with a more affordable price and an easier interface, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.